Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Fiat 500 manual. Sit comfortably, adjust mirrors, and press the clutch fully before turning the key. Shift into first and slowly release the clutch while adding light throttle to find the bite point. Practice smooth releases and short rollouts until the car moves predictably. Repeat starts and stops until gear changes feel natural, then progress to quiet streets when ready. Getting clutch feel is the key to smooth driving. Depress the clutch fully for every gear change and practice releasing to the bite point while giving small throttle inputs. Shift up steadily and avoid abrupt rev spikes by letting the engine load settle before the next gear. For slowing, downshift progressively to keep control and use engine braking when appropriate. Repeat these steps until shifts feel fluid and confident. Hills and traffic add pressure, but follow simple routines to stay calm. For hill starts, apply the handbrake, find the clutch bite, then release the brake as you add throttle to move forward smoothly. In stop-and-go traffic, keep control by holding first gear or using neutral when stopped for long periods. Always scan mirrors, signal early, and avoid sudden moves. Practice these scenarios to build confidence in real driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.